Ever wonder why data pros still swear by plain old comma-filled text files? Stick around to see how those humble CSVs handle heavy lifting from quick reports to full-scale apps. I'm Dylan with Knack. Let's jump right in. A CSV file, or comma-separated values file, stores each value as text separated by commas, so nearly any program, from Google Sheets to PostgreSQL, can read it. Because there's no fancy formatting, analysts, developers, and business folks can crack one open, share it, or automate it without extra software. So why use CSV instead of something flashier? First, it's plain text, so even Notepad can edit it. Second, every major spreadsheet, database, and programming language understands it, letting you shuttle data between systems painlessly. Third, the files stay small because they skip styling overhead. Finally, the grid-like rows and columns make perfect sense for context, inventory, financials, and science data. Let's talk about structure. The delimiter, usually a comma, but sometimes a semicolon, tab, or pipe, splits fields. Each line is a row, and the first line can act as headers, but doesn't have to. When a value contains a delimiter, wrap that value in double quotes so the comma inside counts as text. Avoid line breaks inside a field unless you substitute something like \n, and know your import tool expects it. Trim stray spaces so you don't end up with ghost errors. Follow a few best practices. Stay consistent with delimiters and quotes. Save in UTF-8 so international characters render correctly. Include headers for readability, and name files descriptively. Creating a CSV is easy. Type one in a text editor or let Excel or Sheets save a worksheet as CSV. For bigger jobs or recurring exports, languages like Python or Java have built-in CSV libraries so you can read, write, filter, and merge files automatically. Here's a quick example. Name, age, email. John Doe, 30, john@example.com. Jane Smith, 25, jane@example.com. Commas split the fields. The first line shows headers, and each following line is a record. Common use cases include migrating data between systems, importing or exporting from a database, and giving analysts a clean file to explore. If something breaks, check for missing commas, mismatched quotes, or sneaky line breaks. Very large data sets may need splitting to stay under software limits. There's some helpful tools for handling CSV files. A text editor shows columns neatly. Spreadsheet apps let you sort and filter on the fly. Programming libraries handle repetitive cleanup. Validation scripts confirm consistent delimiters, flag missing values, and catch duplicates before trouble strikes. Validation isn't just nitpicking. It maintains consistency across multiple contributors, protects data integrity by spotting missing or malformed entries, and prevents headaches down the road. High-quality data leads to sound decisions. Security matters too. Encrypt sensitive CSVs, restrict access with role-based controls, store them in secure locations, and keep audit logs. Mask confidential fields if you must share, move files over secure transfer protocols, back them up regularly, set retention policies, train employees, and have an incident response plan. Stay compliant with laws like GDPR. Need Excel's charts or formulas? You've got two conversion paths, opening and importing. Opening is the double-click shortcut. Excel displays the file but leaves it as .csv until you save as .xlsx. Handy, but it may drop leading zeros or misread delimiters, and you're still capped at about 1 million rows and 16,000 columns. You can open several CSVs at once by selecting multiple files in the Open dialog. Importing gives more control. The Legacy Text Import Wizard, found under Legacy Wizards if it's hidden, walks you through picking the file, setting the delimiter, previewing columns, and assigning data types before landing everything in a worksheet. Modern Excel versions add Power Query where you can rename columns, set data types, or filter rows. Close and load drops clean data into Excel and creates a live connection you can refresh whenever the source CSV updates. What's the key takeaway? CSV files are the simple yet powerful medium for structured data. Know the rules, validate your content, guard sensitive info, and converting to Excel is a breeze. Ready to put this into practice? Upload your own CSV to Knack, transform it into a dynamic app, and watch your data come alive. That's it for today's deep dive. I'm Dylan with Knack. Tap subscribe so you never miss a tip, and I'll see you next time.